Hello viewers, welcome to hymns recording of the Iwe Orimimo IOM. Today we'll be recording the first few hymns from the IOM. My name is Toby Balogun. I am the organist for today. With me is Penny, who is a very good soprano singer. She will be singing the hymns. So the first hymn we'll be recording is IOM 1. The meter is 8888, and this is titled The Morning Hymn, composed by F.H. Bartholomew. We'll be taking the first and last verse of these hymns. Pray as you listen, and you will be richly blessed in Jesus' name.